Hello, today my group are going to present and I'm going to show you guys how to answer a differentiation questions that we got for these presentations, which is question number 7. Hello, my name is Darren Joseph and my card matrix is 07DK23F1002.
And hi, I'm Max and my number matrix number is 07DTK23F1018.
Hello, my name is DBM20023. My number matrix is 07DE22F1059.
Introduction. The differentiation is a method used to find the rate at which one quality changes questioning another. In simple terms, it tells us how fast things are changing.
I'm going to be presenting about real-life applications on differentiation. This is about how we apply differentiation on real life, such as physics and engineering. So in physics and engineering, differential calculus is crucial for designing structures like bridges, buildings, analyzing motion, and predicting behaviors like physical systems. And then we can also apply differentiation on healthcare and medicine, like in medical research and practice. Differentiation is utilized to model biological processes, track disease progression, and optimize treatment plans for patients.
So now we are going to solve question number 7. This is the question that we chose from the paperwork that were given. And then the question is about explain the solution to find maximum, minimum or inflection point and sketch the graph of the curve for the following functions. And then the functions is y is equal to 2x powered by 3 minus 4x powered by 2. Before we try to solve these questions, the first step is to find the turning point. And then the second step is to do the second differentiation, or you can say nature. And then step 3 is where we sketch the graph. Functions that were given is y equal to 2x powered by 3 minus 4x powered by 2. Both of these numbers are going to be differentiated. We are going to differentiate two of these numbers. When we differentiate, it is going to be dy over dx equal to 6x powered by 2 minus 8x. The first step to find x1 is to make the y equal to 0. So to make the dy dx equal to 0. So 0 equal to 6x powered by 2 minus 8x. The function that we are going to use here is the function that we already differentiate. Then after that, to find the x1, x2, there are two methods, which is to use the calculator or you can do by hand. To find the x2, we take the in bracket, which is the 3x minus 4 equal to 0, and then this is the part where we swap or where we transfer the numbers so that we get the x. So negative 4 transfer to the right side, it is going to be positive 4. And then the 3x, which is the times 3 times x times transfer to the right side, it is going to be dividing. So the final answer for x2 is 4 over 3. But the function that we are going to use, which is the non-differential function, which is 2x followed by 3 minus 4x squared. These are the functions that we are going to use to insert the x1 and x2. First, to find the first y, the x 4 over 3 is going to be inserted in the functions. It will be 2 open bracket 4 over 3 close bracket powered by 3 minus 4 open bracket 4 over 3 close bracket powered by 2. For the y1 is going to be negative 2.37. And then for the second y, it is going to be x equal to 0. So the value of x is going to be inserted in the functions. then it will be 2 open bracket 0 close bracket followed by 3 minus 4 open bracket 0 close bracket powered by 2, and then the y2 is going to be 0. And yeah, that's it. That's how you get the turning point for these questions. Now moving on to the next step.
Will be 6x powered by 2 minus 8x. And then we're gonna do the second order. The second order is just the same as the first order, but instead we're gonna use the answer of the first order for making the differentiation of it. So as the first order, we already got the answer 6x powered by 2 minus 8x. The first x we already have the power, so the power change to the in front, so 2 multiplied by 6x, and then 2 minus by 1 and minus 8x. This one you don't need to move anything because like the x is already powered by 1. So when we do the differentiation, it will become the 12x negative 12x minus 8. Alright, so we already got the first x and the second x at the first step. First, we're gonna use the 4 over 3. We're gonna do the answer of the second order by 12x minus by 8. 12, we already talking about changing the x to the 4 over 3, and then we're getting the 12 multiplied by 4 over 3 and minus 8. The final answer will be getting 7.96, and it is much more larger than 0, so the graph will be look like a U. And then we're gonna use the second x that we already get from the first step. We're gonna use again the second order, but instead the x inside the 12, we're gonna change it to the 0, and the answer will be negative 8, and it is less from 0, so the sketch of it will become the upside down U, or more like N. And so at the point of 1.33 and for the x and negative 2.37 for the y is a minimum point, and at the point 0, 0 is at the maximum point.
Okay, now I'm gonna be talking about how to sketch the graph. So on the x-intercept, which is y equals to 0, first y is equals to 2x power of 3 minus 4x power of 2, and then we will get 0 equals to 2x power of 3 minus 4x power of 2, and then 0 equals to in bracket x minus 2 close the bracket, and then in bracket again x plus 0, and we will get x1 equals to 2, x2 equals to 0, and for the y-intercept, which is x equal to 0, and we will get y equals to 2 in bracket 0 power of 3 minus 4 in bracket 0 power of 2, and we will get the answer, which is y equals to 0. Okay, finally, as we can see from the graph shown, this is how we sketch the graph. And after we sketch the graph, we will get a sine graph. As you can see, for the x-axis, the line will touch the 2 and then the 0, and for the y, the line will go to the negative 2.37.
And here are the conclusion. And yeah, thank you for watching. Bye bye.